Imagine a country known for its vast landscapes and booming cities. Yet, finding a home is becoming a distant dream for many. Why? Let's dive into Australia's housing supply crisis and uncover the key challenges. First, despite Australia's vastness, restrictions on available land limit new home construction, like having a huge canvas but only painting in one corner. Next, navigating state, territory, and local planning processes is like solving a huge complex problem, delaying home ownership for many. There's also the gap between infrastructure and housing supply. Imagine planning a large family gathering without coordinating the meal preparation. Chaos would suddenly happen. This lack of coordination means roads, schools, and hospitals aren't always ready where needed. Adding to this is a skills shortage in housing construction industry. It's like gearing up for a big race only to find there aren't enough runners, further slowing down the building process. So what's the silver lining? Addressing these challenges could lead to more equitable housing outcomes, especially for low-income households. It requires innovation, policy reform, and community collaboration. If this insight into the Aussie property market has sparked your curiosity, dive deeper with us. If you would like to have one-on-one chat with us, please hit the readiness call button below or come to our website getrare.com.au/ready, and I would like to talk about how this crisis in property market can really be of your benefit to build wealth. Talk to you soon.